Budgeting 101, Step-by-Step Guide. Creating and sticking to a budget is a fundamental skill for financial success. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and maintain a budget, along with some recommended tools and apps for the age group of 18 to 45 years. Step 1. Determine your financial goals. Start by defining your financial goals. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Knowing your goals will guide your budget. Step 2. Calculate your income. Determine your monthly income after taxes. Include your salary, any side gig income, rental income, and any other sources of income. Step 3. List your expenses. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses like rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Step 4. Categorize your expenses. Group your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. This will help you see where your money is going. Step 5. Set spending limits. Assign a specific amount to each expense category based on your income and financial goals. Be realistic and make adjustments as needed. Step 6. Use budgeting tools and apps. Mint. Mint is a free budgeting app that syncs with your bank accounts and categorizes your spending. It provides a clear overview of your financial situation. Yanab. You need a budget. Yanab is a popular budgeting app that uses a zero-based budgeting approach. It helps you allocate every dollar to a specific purpose. Personal Capital. This app offers budgeting tools, investment tracking, and retirement planning, making it ideal for those looking to manage both short-term and long-term finances. Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard tracks your spending, helps you set budget goals, and even identifies opportunities to save by suggesting lower-cost alternatives. Step 7. Track your spending regularly. Monitor your expenses to ensure you are staying within your budget. Most budgeting apps provide real-time updates on your spending. Step 8. Adjust as needed. Life can be unpredictable. If you overspend in one category, adjust your budget by reducing spending in another or reallocating funds from savings temporarily. Step 9. Build an emergency fund. Prioritize building an emergency fund equal to at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This will provide financial security in case of unexpected events. Step 10. Review and reflect. Periodically review your budget to track progress toward your financial goals. Celebrate milestones and make adjustments as your circumstances change. Step 11. Seek professional help. If you have complex financial situations or need personalized advice, consider consulting a financial advisor. Budgeting apps and tools like Mint, YNAB, Personal Capital, and Pocket Guard can greatly simplify the process. They offer features like expense tracking, goal setting, and financial analysis, making it easier for individuals to manage their finances effectively. Remember that budgeting is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your financial goals. Over time, budgeting will become a habit that helps you achieve financial success and peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more such videos.